Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Roblox age verification not working issue. So if you're having trouble using chat or certain features because Roblox isn't recognizing your age, follow along step by step to fix it. Alright, let's dive in. First, close Roblox. Click the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner to open the menu. Next, scroll down, then go to Settings. Once you're in Settings, go to Privacy and Security on the left-hand side. Next, click on Third-Party Cookies and then select See All Site Data in Permissions. In the search bar, type Roblox and then click the trash icon to clear Roblox's cache. Now let's fix it on your computer too. Press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog box. Type %localappdata% and click OK. Find and open the temp folder. Next, find the Roblox folder and delete it. Once you've cleared both your browser and computer cache, reopen Roblox again and try the age verification process. You should now be able to verify your age and use the chat without any issues. Most of the time, this simple cache clearing fixes it instantly. And that's it. By clearing your cache, you've fixed the Roblox age verification issue.